Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, with your weekly rock commercial, your guide to what's going on this week here in rocking Richmond County. I'm joined today by Hamlet's own Mary Davis, who's going to give us details about the 3rd annual Christmas Parade of Lights here in Hamlet. Mary?
So tonight we will light up the streets of Hamlet with our 3rd annual Parade of Lights. It will begin here in front of the depot on Main Street, make its way up across Raleigh Street, down Charlotte, and back down Hamlet Avenue, and it will end right before the tracks. Now we have over 60 entries this year, which is about as much as we had last year, maybe a little bit more. We are having another special appearance by Sir this year. The judges' stage has been moved in front of the library, so if you are in the competition for Best Decorated, we have your trophy waiting for you, depending on who the judges choose this year, which will be very exciting. If you go onto Facebook on the event page, you'll be able to find the map of all of the directions and all of the road closures, and I even added all of the spots you will be able to eat your dinner. Lots of food trucks. We have 5 or 6 different locations, and each food truck is labeled under their specific location. We're expecting an amazing turnout this year, actually. The weather is supposed to be perfect, so make sure you plan accordingly for traffic. Parade will start at 6 o'clock. If you are in the parade, be sure to check your email if you haven't yet. You're counting down the clock right now, but check your email for the lineup and the map and more information about where you'll need to be. Lineup will begin at 5 on East Main Street and with the other folks in their respective spots, and then everything needs to be set up by 5:45 so we can get rolling at 6 p.m. I'm excited.
This is a parade you do not want to miss, and as she mentioned, make sure you plan for traffic when you are trying to get here. I got caught up last year, it was a panic. So make sure you get here with enough time to get in place and be ready for the 3rd annual Hamlet Christmas Parade of Lights. Also tonight, December the 7th in Rockingham at Arts Richmond, the student art show will be from 5:30 until 7 p.m. This is the display of artwork from students at Richmond Community College for the first semester in art. At Hudson Brothers at 6:30 p.m. they will have a Snowman paint night. You can sign up for that event on the Facebook event page for Snowman paint night at Hudson Brothers. Tomorrow, Friday, December the 8th, the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce will have a ribbon cutting at Sandhills Collision Center. This is in Rockingham, and it will be at 12 p.m. At Hippy Marketplace, they will have the Gnome Book Club meeting at 6 p.m. At Nana's Coffee Rocks, they will have open mic night at 6 p.m. At Hudson Brothers, they will have live music with Ducky and Chucky. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke. And in the lounge at Godfather's in Rockingham, they will have specials for Friday.
So in Hamlet at the Kool Auditorium, there will be a Charlie Brown Christmas performing at 7:30 p.m. And then at Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have the Grote Mystery Tour at 8.
On Saturday, December the 9th, at Honeybee Bridal and Boutique, they will have Christmas open house from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. You can see more details about the fun they have scheduled all day at Honeybee Bridal and Boutique on the Facebook event page, and that is 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. Also in Rockingham at Kool Kakes in downtown, they will have Christmas Woodland tea. This is from 10:30 a.m. until 2 p.m. At Dippy Marketplace, they will have a workshop that afternoon at 4 p.m. to decorate your Yule cinnamon broom. Over at the Moose Lodge in Rockingham, they will have a kids' Christmas party from 2 p.m. until 4 p.m. And in Ellerbe, also at 2 p.m.,
Grind, they are having a live performance by Scarlet Tantrum. And then the Sandhills Shag Club will have their December monthly meeting at 7 p.m. at the American Legion. On Monday, December 11th, Santa will be at the Ellerbe Public Library from 5 to 6:30 p.m. And on Wednesday at the Richmond County Health Department, they will be having Christmas candy cane lanes from 3:30 to 5:30.
And next weekend will be Christmas Clash at Rockingham Dragway. This is a part of the Dig or Die series that has been here for 2 years, maybe over 2 years now. It is a no-prep racing series that has grown tremendously in popularity, and it's one you definitely do not want to miss. That will start on Friday, December the 15th, and go throughout late Saturday night, December the 16th. You can find out more details about this event on Facebook. Look up Rockingham Dragway, and it is Dig or Die Christmas Clash 4. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see visitrichmondcounty.com. There you can subscribe to our blog, follow us on all of our social media channels. This includes Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. And you can also follow Visit Hamlet NC on their Facebook and Hamlet Depot and Museums. Mary, do you want to tell us about your platforms?
So, Visit Hamlet NC is on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Hamlet Depot and Museums is on Facebook and Instagram. And all of those socials can normally be found pretty regularly on the Visit Richmond County page as well.
Yes. So make sure you are following both, as we have a lot going on here in rocking Richmond County. We hope to see you tonight in the Hamlet for the Christmas parade or at one of the many upcoming events we have in the following week. If we don't, we know we'll